A vibrant dream that aspiring content creator shares. Now is the opportunity to earn money by pursuing what they love. But how do we make this dream a reality? To qualify for YouTube channel monetization, we need to meet two key additional prerequisites: 1,000 subscribers, and either 4,000 hours of watch time on regular videos, or over 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. Sounds daunting, right? Don't worry, I've got your back. Gaining 1,000 subscribers quickly might seem challenging, like a gentle breeze compared to accumulating 4,000 hours of watch time. But do not fear, with the proper strategies and a sprinkle of creativity, we surely can successfully crush all those goals. It's time to create captivating content that truly engages our audience. Understanding your target audience is the key to crafting meaningful content that resonates with your audience. Whether your fitness channel focuses on fitness, gaming, beauty, or liking anything in between, knowing your target audience's interests, struggles, and preferences, I will gladly guide you in successfully creating captivating content that keeps you coming back for even more. But wait, there's more. It's not just about the content itself. Presentation format matters too. We urgently need to grab our viewers' undivided attention from the very outset. Don't overload your thumbnails with too much text, or keep it short, concise, and captivating. Last but certainly not least, consistency is king. Building a consistent library of content is crucial for cultivating a dedicated audience. By creating a cohesive library of content around a specific topic or category, we actively foster a sense of community and strong loyalty among our viewers, keeping them engaged and eager, coming back for an additional dose more. By understanding your target audience, creating compelling content, mastering presentation and execution, and building a consistent library, you'll be on your way to YouTube monetization success. Now, if you really want to learn the top 10 ways to turn your YouTube into an incredibly profitable hustle, watch this informative video. Remember, simplicity is key.